blizzard conditions continued to sweep across Nebraska. According to the National Weather Service, the winter storm will continue to impact parts of the northern, central plains, and upper Midwest with heavy snow, freezing rain, and strong winds through tonight. Winter weather advisories continued for some parts of the region. The combination of heavy snow and strong winds, which includes gusts of up to 55 miles per hour, will produce blizzard conditions for central South Dakota into parts of Nebraska, Kansas, and Colorado, making for dangerous travel during this holiday week. Residents in Nebraska awoke to a white Christmas yesterday, after a winter storm dumped freezing rain and several inches of snow, causing blizzard conditions from central South Dakota into Nebraska. Central and northwestern Nebraska were under an early morning blizzard warning, and a winter weather advisory remained in effect for much of the region till 9 p.m. local time. Residents are warned of the blowing snow, which is reducing visibility and is also causing whiteout conditions on the roads for the travelers who are heading back home after Christmas. Reporting for NTV America from Nebraska,